nationwide claim. Watson is the homeowner doing a repairability video. Here is a wind damage shingle right here. We're gonna be replacing this shingle today. We're using a roof snake. But one thing I do want to point out to do these repairs, so like you have a wind damage shingle right here by the ridge, a few going that way. So like to replace this shingle, we gotta go 2 rows up, right? To take the nails out to pull this shingle out. So on this repair right here, how it goes underneath the ridge, to pull the nails out, to pull this shingle out, we're gonna have to take the ridge cap off to do that, and multiple places to do this repair properly. So I just wanted to outline that and show you guys what it's actually gonna take to do this repair. And then as you can see, looking at that side of the roof, this is like the better side of the roof. This side, there's almost no granules on any of the shingles. So obviously if it doesn't pass on this side, it's not gonna pass on that side. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and start this repair. All right, as you can see right there, there's mat transfer right there, which is material transfer. As you guys can see as well, I only lifted up the shingle high enough to get the nails out. You have a tear right here. This is the shingle that we're replacing. You have a tear here as well. Just want to show that. Another one right here as well. Another one there as well. Alright. So let me back up a little bit. And we do have paper felt confirmed underneath there. Just want to showcase that. Nothing on the release tape on this shingle, so I'm not really too sure what shingle this is. You can see the granules falling off just from putting the shingle in. Sideways. All right, you saw that shingle just tore from me lifting it just to get the nail in here. So from doing this repair, you had mat transfer on a couple shingles. You had this tear here. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna wipe the top of the shingles. What that's gonna do is gonna show the loose granules that are there that are gonna wash away the next rainstorm. So as you can see, from doing that repair, you have creases on this shingle, a tear here, creases starting on this shingle, creases starting here, across the top of this shingle right here. And then you have a little crease there, and then nothing on that. So from doing this repair, you now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shingles that are damaged on top of the locations of the repairs that are gonna need to be done. We're gonna have to do extra measures to get those repairs done.